Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the job openings from Switzerland. I hope you all of know this is a European country. So if you guys have a dream to move European country with a job, then you can apply for this job. So before that, you should know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job, all the details. So let's start without any let. This is a requirements from Switzerland. The job is domestic cleaners and helpers required in Switzerland. So you can see here this is a unskilled jobs as a helper or a domestic cleaner. You can apply for this job. So job descriptions. Before I start, I would like to suggest you one thing. If you want to move European country and if you are trying to enter any European country with a minimum level of job, then this is a best opportunity. Through this job, you can enter this European country. After that, after you finish your contract, you can search your own profile so that you can build a career in the European country. So this is my suggestions, and it's depend upon you what you have to do. So before that, I would like to share with you the job openings. Job is for domestic cleaners. Job title: home removals and handyman services all rounder. Company name: brand hotel home removals and handyman services. This is the company name. Location is Basel, which is in Switzerland. Title full time. We are currently seeking a versatile and skilled individual to join our team to add brand tool home removals and handyman services. The ideal candidate will be capable of performing a wide range of tasks, including but not limited to painting and gardening, picture hanging, electrical work, light fitting, tiling, plumbing, transporting, home removals, and recycling tasks. This is a fantastic opportunity for someone with a diverse skill set who is looking for a dynamic and varied role. Key responsibilities: carrying out painting, gardening, picture hanging, electrical light and fitting, tiling, plumbing, and other handyman tasks are required. This is all about the job roles, like assisting with home removals, including packing, loading, unloading, and transporting items with and attention to detail. This is some information regarding job role. My suggestion is to read it carefully before you apply. So I am describing you very shortly because the video will be long. So my sincere request to have a look on the key responsibilities for this job. So next, I would like to share with you the job location will be Basel, as I already said to you, and how to apply. This is very important point. This is the official email ID. So what you have to do, you have to make a proper CV, which is be professional, and you have to make a proper cover letter, which is be professional. After you prepare this CV and cover letter, you have to forward by this given official email ID. So let me highlight you this email ID so that you can identify easily. This email ID you can get from the descriptions below this video. Otherwise, you can note it down. This is the official website, so where you can get all the information regarding this job openings. So guys, this is the official email ID. This is the official website. This is the contact number. If you want to contact for the international number, you can contact. And if you are already available in Switzerland and you are finding job, then you can directly contact to the person for this job. But if you are out of Switzerland, you have to apply through the official email ID, and all the details you can get in this official email ID, official websites. So I hope you get all the information regarding this job openings. First of all, I would like to tell you this is urgent job vacancies from Switzerland. The job is domestic cleaners or helpers, and the requirement, the responsibilities for this job is mentioned here. You have to read it carefully from the descriptions below this video. And if you are really eligible for this job, you can apply through this official email ID. This is the official email ID where you can get all the information regarding this job openings. This is the contact number. If you want to contact, you can contact them. So I would like to suggest you please share this information to the candidates who have a dream to move Switzerland or a European country with a job, and who want to enter European country with any type of job. They can apply easily. They can move Switzerland with a job. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I'll try to give you the latest job information from other countries. After that, stay with this channel. And again, I would like to suggest to check each and every videos in this channel, and I'm updating you the abroad job. If you are looking for an abroad job, you can apply on the time and you can fulfill your career to move abroad with a job. Best of luck.